koutou, Kor XXX. She is Braden.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, Kor XXX. She is Josh.
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina the 20th of March.
Okay, let's start the day with tidy class news. Can we have a drum roll, please? Well done to room 3, 4 and 7. You guys rock.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Whare Pukapuka, which is te rero for library.
As in, let's go to the Whare Pukapuka at lunch and read. We hope to see you using the word during the week.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low to moderate from 11 until 2.
And now potae are still required from 11 koutou. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
One birthday today. Happy birthday, Colin, in room 7. Have a great day.
We have a new student today in Winton School. Eva Coveney starts in room 1. Today, she is a big sister Miley in room 7. Now, if we missed any notices, you can play the news again or read any notices in the text box below.
And that's it. And that's it for today from everyone here in the N.E.W.S news team. Ka
kite a popo.
See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.